Hi, this is Sourabha Patil. In this video, we will run analyze and design of a seismic loads and then seismic analyze by response spectrum method and seismic analyze by time history method. Now we will start with analyze and design of a seismic load. The seismic load of the building is applied as per IS 1893 codebook. Go to define menu. Select load patterns. Here we can see that the loads are been added, that is dead load, live load and seismic load. Go to modify lateral load. In the seismic load, we have considered seismic waves to be acting on both x and y direction. And all other properties are taken as per IS 1893 codebook. Click on OK. Again click on OK to exit. The next step is to set load combinations by including the seismic load that we have defined. Now we will go to define menu and select load combinations. Here we can see different load combinations that includes dead load, live load and seismic loads which are added. Click on OK. In case of seismic load, we need not to select any building element to assign load. Now we will analyze and design of the building. It is locked. Now unlock the model first. Since we are performing only the seismic analysis in our building model, no need to run the analysis for wind load. Go to Analyze menu and click on Run Analyze. The software takes time to run analyze. Here we can see it is processing. Now the analyze has been completed. The displacement of the elements is shown in the 3D view. Now we will run the structural analysis on the building model. Go to Design menu, Concrete Frame Design and click on View/Revise Preference. A dialog box appears. Check the design code is IS 456-2000. If not, modify and then click on OK. Again go to Design menu, select Concrete Frame Design and click on Start Design/check. The software takes times for design/check as there are more members in the building. The design/check has been completed. Now we can see the reinforcement on each members in the 3D view. Now we'll check whether all members are passed or not. Go to Design menu and click on Concrete Frame Design and click on Verify all members passed. A dialog box appears and we can see that all members have passed. At the time of design/check, if the dialog box appears that some members are not passed, click on OK. The software will select the members which have not passed and reanalyze and design because of auto select option. It will select the next suitable dimension of beam and column to pass all the members. Now we have completely analyzed and design of the building. Now we will analyze by response spectrum method. It is locked now, so unlock the model first. Now we see the response spectrum function which we have added as per IS 1893 codebook. Before adding the response spectrum function, ensure that we have added seismic load. To check that, go to Define menu and select Load Pattern option. Here we can see that the seismic load has been added. Now select the seismic load and click on Modify Lateral Load option. Make sure both X and Y directions are selected. Set the remaining properties as per IS 1893 and click on OK. And again click on OK to exit. Now we will set the response spectrum function on the building model. Go to Define menu, select Function and click on Response Spectrum. Here we have added response spectrum as per IS 1893 and the function is defined. Click on OK. Now we will set the load cases by including response spectrum function that we have defined. Go to Define menu, click on Load Cases. Here we can see the response spectrum has been added as per IS 1893 codebook. Select the response spectrum, go to Modify/Showcase. Here we have added loads for both X and Y direction. The directional combination type CQC3 is selected to get peak response quantities like member force, displacement and base reaction. Click on OK. Again click on OK to exit. In the case of response spectrum function, we need not to select any building element to assign the load. Now we will run analyze and design/check. It is same as the before only. Change is it is set load cases that the dead load and live load are set to do not run as it is not required for the response spectrum. Click on Run now. Now we will directly see whether all members have passed or the design/check has been completed. Here we can see the all members have passed. This completes the seismic analysis by response spectrum method. Now we will analyze seismic by time history method. It is locked. Now unlock the model first. Now we will see the time history function which we have added as per IS 1893 codebook. Before adding the time history function, ensure that we have added the seismic load. To check that, go to Define menu, select Load Pattern option. Here we can see that the seismic load has been defined. Now select the seismic load and click on Modify Lateral Load option. Make sure only X direction is selected and set the remaining properties as per IS 1893 codebook and click on OK and again click on OK to exit. Now we will set the time history function by building models. Go to Define menu, select function and click on time history. Here we have added time history data file of Bhuj earthquake occurred in year 2001. Now we will go to Modify/Show function. Here we can see that imported file and the function graph. Click on OK. Click on OK again to exit. We will now set the load cases by including the time history function which we have defined. Now go to Define menu and select the load case option. Since we are performing the time history analysis, there is no need for this response spectrum load. Here we can see the time history function which we have added. Now we will go to modify showcase. Here we have added loads of x direction only. Set the remaining properties as per IS 1893 codebook. Click on OK. Again click on OK to exit. In the case of time history function, we need not to select any building element to assign the load. Now we will run the analyze and design /check. It is same as the seismic analyze by response spectrum method. Now we will directly see whether all members are passed or not. The design /check has been completed. Here we can see that all members have been passed. Click on OK. To check the details of structure, go to Model Explorer. Click on Report. We can see the project report and summary report. Choose any of them. And it will start generating the report. Here we can see the details of each and every members. Thanks for watching.